Alright, this is my second capstone script, and the title of this one is The Impacts of Climate Change on Alaska and the Arctic Sea. The threat to this area is surface temperatures, salinity, and ocean acidification and rising sea level. The temperature in Arctic areas has been rising every decade, and it does not see an end anytime soon. This is causing ice to melt in the Arctic, which is very crucial for the environment and wildlife that resides there. Salinity is a very important part of seawater because the lower the salinity, the easier the water can freeze. In recent years, the salinity has decreased, but certain factors have caused the salinity to increase. Factors such as excess runoff, melting of ice, and fresh water transport have influenced these changes in salinity. Ocean acidification is another threat to Alaska, which is occurring at a faster rate in the recent years. Alaska is more vulnerable to these changes in acidification because of melting ice, respiration in organic matter, upwelling, and increased river runoff. By 2030, it is predicted that the pH level will be high enough to influence the overall ecosystem. Sea level rise is an issue because of the uncertainty of the increase and decrease of sea level all around Alaska. There is uncertainty about fluctuation in sea level because of the lack of sea gauges. It is uncertain that the sea level will what the sea level will be in the future. There are not any solutions being worked on at this point in time, but these factors start as they begin to get worse. Something will be done about it.